Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you tired of seeing this shipping calculated at checkout message on your Shopify store? In this video, we will show you how to remove it in Shopify for 2024, streamlining your checkout process. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, are you wondering how to remove the shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify? This guide will not only walk you throughout the step to remove shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify, but also delve into the reasons for doing so and explore alternative shipping methods. We will also address common challenges and offer troubleshooting tips, so let's dive into this comprehensive guide. First of all, we need to understand that we need to have a Shopify store first. So this is very essential. So make sure that your account is opened to follow along with this video. First, go ahead and access your theme settings. By going right here into your Shopify account, go into the sales channel right over here and click on online store and open the themes. Right after that, you have to click here and basically go to edit default theme content, as you can see right in this area. So let's do that real quick. After that, after we went in here and we clicked on edit the default theme content, we have to locate the text, which is basically ecom ajax cart, or basically calculated at checkout. So let's go here, calculated at checkout. And as you can see here, there is a lot of them. So there is like duties and taxes included, discounts and href, link shipping calculated at checkout, duties and taxes included, discounts and shipping calculated at checkout, taxes included, checkout, and checkout. So there is several things that you will need to remove in order to actually get rid of this option or this thing from your website in general. So now how can we remove them? As you can see in this article, once you are in the theme editor and you went to it, you will have to edit or remove the text. So you will now see the field that contains taxes and shipping collected at checkout. To remove it, simply delete the text. Alternatively, if you want to replace it with a custom text, type in your desired message. So you can type here, for example, we could remove it in general, so we can delete what have I done? Reload. Okay, let's just wait. Alright, so delete, 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 and delete, and delete. And then save. And as you can see, it has been deleted. Now you still see this content right here. They are actually is removed, so it's not a text. I cannot select it. It's just like, as you can see, once I click write something else, it will be removed and hidden. Once I remove this, it will just be like a gray background thing that is written here. In case you wanted to simply have it back, you will have it written in the background, so you simply can know what to write if you removed it accidentally. So this is what they are doing in this area. So once you're done, as I mentioned, after you made the necessary changes, locate the Save Changes button. Usually it's going to be in the top right corner of the editor. Then click Save Changes to apply the modifications. Then the step 5 is to confirm the changes. To ensure the shipping calculated at checkout text is removed, visit your Shopify store and add a product or two to your cart. Proceed to the checkout page and verify that the text is no longer present. Benefits of removing shipping calculated at checkout Shopify, and why usually we are doing so. Well, the shipping calculated at checkout feature in Shopify is undoubtedly useful, automatically calculating shipping cost based on location, item weight, and dimensions. However, there are compelling reasons to consider removing it. It was just the message that shows it. Now, one of the reasons is lowering your cart abandonment rate. According to the Baymard Institute, the number one reason for cart abandonment is an expected cost at checkout. By offering flat rate shipping, you remove the surprise of additional fees at checkout. They simplified the process, charging a fixed rate regardless of location or item specifics. It establishes predictably and consistency for both you and your customers. Second, experiment with alternative shipping strategies. Disabling shipping calculated on Shopify opens up for alternative shipping strategies. For instance, you might want to offer free shipping for specific products or for orders above a certain threshold. Removing this default text gives you greater control over your shipping options and can potentially boost your Shopify conversion rates. Third is the shipping consistency. Flat rate shipping means you charge the same fee no matter how big the order or how many items an order contains. This can make it easier to handle shipping costs and easier for customers to calculate what they will pay to get the product where they want. A good marketing opportunity so you can have flat rate shipping often enhances the value proposition of your business. For example, if your customers know that shipping is always $5 and free on orders over 100, then they may be more inclined to shop with you over a competitor, or at least they will know what to expect when they reach the checkout, as opposed to other sites where customers are kept in the dark, often until a high shipping fee appears and scuttles the conversion, and that will basically get your abandonment or cart abandonment ratio much higher, which you don't really want that to happen. And five, and finally, is a better shopper experience. Some customers may find dynamically calculated shipping costs perplexing. By removing this feature, you are providing a more transparent and hassle-free shopping experience, potentially leading to higher customer satisfaction rates, and that is gonna be very good for you. So remove shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify today. In conclusion, removing the shipping calculated at checkout feature on Shopify can greatly benefit your online store by implementing flat rate shipping. You eliminate surprise fees at checkout, leading to a lower cart abandonment rate. Additionally, this adjustment offers the opportunity to experiment with alternative shipping strategies and provides a more consistent and transparent shopping experience for your customers. Don't hesitate to follow the steps outlined above to enhance your Shopify store shipping process and improve the overall shopping experience for your valued customers. And that's well done for today's video. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you still have any more questions or doubts or basically any more topics that you want us to cover in the upcoming videos, do not worry, just make sure to mention them in the comment section. We'll do our best to cover all the upcoming topics that you want us to talk about. Thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.